Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a device to the SmartLife app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just received a new pair of smart plugs and you want to go ahead and connect them to the SmartLife app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is install the SmartLife app. Once you're signed up for an account, it's actually fairly easy. So here I have a smart plug. All you've got to do is plug your smart plug in. Make sure your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi in some cases. Then on the upper right-hand corner, click on the plus icon, then click on Add a Device. Now, it's going to manually search for the device that you just plugged in, and you should see it automatically here. Once you click on that device to add it, just simply enter your Wi-Fi password again, and the device should pair with the SmartLife app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a device to the SmartLife app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.